Recording District, Division Plus Master Beat.
This is a dangerous group, the groups that we're dealing with now. It was a nightmare.
Level 138 in progress.
Melting to the imprisoned image of a damaged mind, ravaged by an unforgiving time, expressed
Scuda meni terminator simbi ya Xphola. Vroom many engine. Man, those days are gone. Life in a separate, but we're back together again. You know, no makule na katara mfana. Man, this is
my legacy,
and that's right. Yeah. Yeah. Etapsa. I was Stevie with my queen and father. Mthimbani and Tapsa boy. Now back in the old days, Xphola PHB for sure. We couldn't sleep cause the fans, they were asking for more. Even though quality was the only thing we need, we couldn't get it, but take a look at what we did. Kiko Shah and Kele, look what ended up the hit. And I know the producer, la busy end up the beat. The kick, the bass, the string, the trumpets. Rapata Tavene, our end up the puppet. Suzuka, I perform at the show for free. Man, give a bang, man, it was a goal for me. Make no rapa no nyanu kunga last timing. And my homie ka chorus while I'm busy rhyming. When I fuck with trouble shooter when I started to sing. Still yeah, my friend, just look at the joy we bring. Motivate our band so we come together as one. Now I belly in mind because the job is done.
my legacy. So when I die, remember me. My legacy, please don't forget, remember me. My legacy. So when I die, remember me. My legacy, please don't forget, remember me. My legacy. So when I die, remember me. My legacy, please don't forget, remember
My lesson
me.
tago aba wish up I must lose my friend. Whoever thought man I thought song aba suma again. So we're back together in Jamarambi and talk. Every time I come on mic many days I walk. Now I telling that we nanga every day and night. They make a show me correct man we pray and fight. From the last and last point I go to me I be sober. Forever happiness and peace and I be over. It take a live on say he back a map. Got it that was about to represent the rap. It is Ramanana because in a vision. Never get a massive running cause I hate the machine. My ambition is to win, got this destination. Then believe love the trouble powers, fuck a medication. You call me Boko now, I know I call for a while. Palabu